Welcome to A's Wealth Builders. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and want to hit $10,000 per month, even as a beginner, stay with me. Because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear path to making it happen. No fluff, no gimmicks, just real, actionable steps. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. Thousands of people are doing this, and after watching this, you could be next. So, how do you get there? Let's break it down. Look, the truth is, money follows value. If you're not making $10,000 a month, chances are, you're not offering $10,000 worth of value. So, we fix that first. You need a skill, and not just any skill, a high-income skill that people are desperate for. I'm talking about things like copywriting, video editing, social media management, coding skills that businesses need to survive in the digital age. And here's the kicker. You don't need a fancy degree or years of experience to break in. You just need to learn, practice, and execute. Forget about spending 4 years and thousands of dollars on a degree. You can learn these skills online for a fraction of the cost, in a fraction of the time. Pick one skill, the one that speaks to you the most, and master it. Become the best damn video editor, the most persuasive copywriter, the most sought-after social media manager out there. Don't spread yourself too thin trying to learn everything at once. Focus on one thing, become incredibly good at it, and get ready to monetize. Okay, you've got the skills, now you need to package them into an offer so good people would feel stupid saying no. This is where you show the world what you can do for them. Whether you decide to freelance, consult, or sell digital products, your offer needs to solve a painful problem. Think about it. What keeps business owners up at night? What are their biggest headaches? If businesses are struggling with TikTok marketing and you can help them grow their audience and make more sales, they will pay you, big time. Don't be afraid to niche down and become the go-to expert in a specific area. The more specific you are, the less competition you'll have and the more valuable you become. No clients? No problem. Reach out to businesses, show them your skills, and offer them a deal they can't refuse. Build a portfolio that showcases your best work, and don't be afraid to charge what you're worth. Chapter 3. Get paid what you deserve. This is where most people fail. They undervalue themselves and their skills. They're so afraid of charging what they're worth that they end up working for peanuts. Not you. You're going to charge based on the value you provide, not the time you spend. Freelancers earning $10,000 plus per month don't work harder, they work smarter. They package their skills, automate their processes, and scale their businesses. They understand that their time is valuable and they're not afraid to charge accordingly. Want proof? A copywriter charging $1,000 per client needs just 10 clients a month to hit $10,000. A video editor at $500 per project? 20 clients. Totally doable. Stop trading your time for money. Create systems, build a team, and let your business work for you. The sooner you stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like an entrepreneur, the sooner you'll hit your financial goals. Remember, you are in control of your own destiny. If you stay stuck in waiting mode, waiting for someone to give you permission to succeed, you'll never hit $10,000. Winners take action. They bet on themselves. They go out there and make it happen. There you have it. The blueprint to unlocking $10,000 per month, even if you're starting from scratch. No degree, no excuses, just pure hustle and the right strategies. Now you have the blueprint. The only question is, will you act or will you keep watching, hoping? Drop a comment below what's stopping you from hitting $10,000 per month. Let's break that barrier together. And if you want more money-making strategies like this, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because we're just getting started. This is As Wealth Builders. Let's build your wealth together.